Did you catch one tweet tweet? Yeah? Have you catch one tweet tweet, anak? She said she will catch one tweet tweet. The birds have many birds there. See, like this bird. Yeah, and there birds. You can catch the tweet tweet there. Huh? Catch one. Maamo ang mga birds dito eh. You wanna catch? Catch the ball lang daw. Catch the birds. Okay, you can.
Catch a bird.
Oh, we go home first. Oh, come on. Huh? Oh, the birds fly. Go. Try to get one. Go. Sabi niya sa ibon, come on. Okay, let's go back home. You will sleep first. Then this afternoon we will play outside, alright? Are you agree with that? Let's go home first. Let's go home, my love. Come on, let's go. Ayun, nakakita uli ng ibon dun. Sige nga, it's too high, you cannot catch. Let's go. Uwi na muna kami. Tinatawag niya bird. Sabi niya, let's go. Kakaloka. Uwi muna kami. Kararating niya lang galing school. Oh. Let's go home first. Nanunok sa ibon, nakikipaglaro sa kanya. Babalik ulit yan. Let's go home. My love, let's go home. Come on. It's getting hot now. Uwi mo nang nga kami. Kunin ko na to. Dahil naiinitan ng baby. Oy! 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 Naiinitan na yan na. Come on, let's go home. We'll play this afternoon. Ah, nako. Go home muna. Bye-bye.